Hello, sir. I
Yeah.
got one question.
Yes.
As we know that we need to present this data to our boss, can be the dashboard all the data view in the PPT formats? PowerPoint.
Yes, you do. You need to copy them. Copy and paste it into your what we call into your PowerPoint.
Okay, means I only need to copy the page.
Copy the worksheet. Sorry, the worksheet, the chart. You need to copy the chart.
Okay, so the slides also copy, then I also can view in the PowerPoint.
Yes. Do you know that? Do you know that you can convert your PowerPoint into an Excel?
I don't know that.
Yes, you do.
But can be the Excel convert to PowerPoint.
Your PowerPoint can be converted into an Excel, but you cannot convert your Excel into a PowerPoint.
Okay.
Okay. For example, let's say you want to copy. Okay, I give you a situation. Okay, because some of you maybe want to share this file with another user. Okay, now let's say your boss asks you to prepare this dashboard. Okay, and then what happened? He said, after you finish your dashboard, I want to put it inside the PowerPoint and send the PowerPoint to me by email. Okay, so once you finish with your reports or your dashboard in Excel, then you start copying the data into your PowerPoint, right? So normally what you do, you just Ctrl+C your data in Excel, and in PowerPoint you paste Ctrl+V. Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, mean copy and paste. Now, if both files located within the same hard disk, that means your PowerPoint and your Excel are within the same computer, within the same hard disk, you don't have any problem. Meaning that if you go to your Excel and then you make changes to the content of your dashboard, automatically it will be rectified inside your PowerPoint. But what if after you copy and paste your data into your PowerPoint, then you email your PowerPoint to your boss without sending the original Excel file that contains all the data for your dashboard? So can your boss modify the data in the PowerPoint? So that is my question. Can your boss modify the content of your PowerPoint? So your answer will be what?
Yes.
I mean, your boss can modify the content of the PowerPoint. Is it?
Yes.
Yes. Are you sure, Hayati?
Yes.
Yes.
We can right click data something on the.
Okay. How many of you said yes? We can copy, paste, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V into your PowerPoint, email it to your boss, and then your boss can modify the content. Who said yes? Hayati. Who else? No, there might be a reason why you can do that, right? Okay. Whether your boss can modify or not the content within your PowerPoint, depending on the way you paste your data actually. Okay. This is not what we call a rocket science, for you to understand. Now, most of us, whenever you copy the data from Excel into PowerPoint, I'm not talking about the dashboard only, anything. Maybe your other report in Excel, your chart, for example. Usually you will create your chart or your pivot table or whatever in your Excel, then you copy and paste it into your PowerPoint. And then after you finish your PowerPoint, you email it to your boss without sending the original Excel file. Can your boss modify the content? No. Your boss cannot modify the content. Why? Because when you use Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V method, meaning that, if your data Excel and PowerPoint still within the same hard disk. They can communicate among each other. That means if you make changes to the Excel, it will rectify inside your PowerPoint. But the moment you send your PowerPoint to your boss without sending the original Excel file, so it will break the link between the file. So when it breaks the link, what happens? Whatever data that you bring into your PowerPoint just now will turn into a picture. Right? So how to make it possible for the boss to make changes in data? Don't use Control V. Don't use Control V. Instead, you need to use another method to paste your data. For example, okay, let me show you how. Okay, I'm going to copy my chart just now. Okay, let me open my Excel here. All right, hold on. Okay, let's say I got a plan. Okay, I want to copy this chart, yearly sales, into my PowerPoint. So what I need to do? First, I need to copy, Control C, copy. All right. Then I'm going to open my PowerPoint. Okay, I'm going to open my PowerPoint. Let me share with you my PowerPoint. All right. So this is my PowerPoint. Now let's say I'm going to put it inside slide number 2. Okay, slide number 2 there. Okay, so for slide number 2 there, I'm going to insert my chart. So to insert my chart, I just click within the second text box and then I'm going to paste the data, but not by using Control V. Instead, I'm going to use my mouse. Right click my mouse. Okay, then you will pop up a menu. Inside the menu here, go to paste option. There are 5 options that we have right now. Okay, you will have your what we call paste together with the format. Okay, without format, with format. Then we have what is we call destination theme. Okay, we have source formatting and the picture. Okay, let's take a look at the first one. This first one is said use destination theme and embed workbook, meaning that when you copy the chart into your PowerPoint just now, okay, you will use whatever themes or colors that we have in PowerPoint, and at the same time, you will embed the file inside your PowerPoint. Okay, you will embed your Excel within your PowerPoint, meaning that, okay, if you send this PowerPoint to your boss can modify the content. Why? Because you got Excel file embedded within this PowerPoint file. So in the way you allow the user to modify the content. What about the second one? For the second one here, okay, you will use whatever format that we have from Excel, and at the same time, it will embed the data. Okay, embed the Excel, just like number 1, just like number 1. Okay, so whatever that we have in Excel, so you will have it right inside your PowerPoint. And at the same time, you allow the user to modify the content because you embed the workbook. But what about number 3? Number 3 here, it says use destination theme and link data. Now you will use whatever color that we have in PowerPoint, but instead of embedding the Excel file inside your PowerPoint, okay, it will create a link data. That means you have 2 separated files, A and B. A for Excel, B for PowerPoint. Meaning that if you want to send this file to your boss, you need to send the original Excel file together with it, because it is not embedded into the PowerPoint. Okay, you have 2 different files. Same thing happen if you choose number 4 there. Keep source formatting ending data. That means you need to send both files to your boss. But number 5 here, number 5 is what? Picture. Picture means whenever you copy and paste, Control C and Control V, your data, your chart into your PowerPoint, and then you email this file to your boss, right? Without embedding the Excel file or without creating a link file, so it turns into a picture. When the chart turns into a picture, your boss cannot modify the content anymore. Yeah, all right. So in this case, you can choose number 1 or number 2 lah. It's safe lah because you don't have to create additional attachment for your email. So you choose number 1 dah. All right. So when you choose this method and you email this file to your boss, meaning that your boss can modify the content because the data or the Excel file is within your PowerPoint. And for your information, PowerPoint allow you to do that. Okay, PowerPoint allow you to embed any external data into its file up to 50 megabytes size. 50. That's why in PowerPoint, if you have your videos, let's say you insert videos, okay, you insert your pictures, there are so many pictures, you put sounds or whatever, right? When you send the PowerPoint to your recipient, you don't have to send the file separately. Just imagine you need to send your PowerPoint, you need to send your videos. Let's say you have a few videos in your PowerPoint, you need to send it them individually. You need to send the pictures individually, right? But in PowerPoint, you allow the user to insert any external data into the PowerPoint up to 50 megabytes. Now let's say once your boss receive the email and then he open up the PowerPoint and then he wants to modify the data. How can your boss modify the data? So first he need to activate the chart. And then you need to go to the design ribbon. Go to the design ribbon and then go to this group called data group. Okay, on your right side. Now inside your data group, there is a button called edit data. You can click the edit data button and you can choose whether you want to edit the data within your PowerPoint or you want to edit the data within your Excel. If you choose edit your data within your PowerPoint, you will have a data worksheet table appear within your PowerPoint. But if you choose edit data in Excel, then you will open up an Excel file, then you can modify the data right over there. So for example here, I'm going to edit the data within my PowerPoint. So I click on edit data. Okay. Then over right, you can see the data worksheet appear within your PowerPoint there. Okay, and then you can modify the content. Okay, you can change the data. All right. We take some time for me to open up the data worksheet. Okay, so that is the step. Okay, after you make changes to the data table, you can close the data table and then you can continue with the PowerPoint. Right. Nothing up here. Oh, okay, hold on. Oh, okay, there you go. See, so this is my data worksheet. So I can modify the content. Okay, I can modify my what we call dashboard. Yeah. There. So I can choose what type of data I want to show. Right. Let's say I'm going to show year 2016, 2017. Yeah. Right. That means not necessarily you bring your Excel, okay, send it to your boss. No, you can do it directly in your PowerPoint. Okay, but make sure you embed the original file within your PowerPoint. Then you can modify the content. But it's not easy, It's not easy because you have to what we call handle a few windows at the same time. Right. For example, I'm going to show.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. So this is when you, let's say you want to share your file with others. Now, okay, I want to see your dashboard. I want to see your dashboard. Okay. Who wants to share their dashboard? Who wants to share his dashboard, please? Farah? Are you there, Farah?
Ya, saya cikgu.
Can you share your screen? Nak tengok kejap, boleh tak?
Saya pakai phone untuk Zoom.
Pakai phone. Okay.